Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best shoe cleaner is probably one of the most essential items for any sneakerhead or fashion-conscious individual looking to maintain the pristine condition of their footwear, ensuring that every pair, from your daily beaters to your prized collectibles, remains looking box fresh and vibrant, thereby extending their lifespan and preserving their aesthetic appeal for countless wears to come. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. It's designed to bring your favorite shoes back to life, no matter the material. This kit effectively cleans fabric, leather, and even delicate suede and nubuck. Keep all your sneakers looking their best. Struggling with white sneakers? Our formula tackles tough stains and dirt, restoring their original brightness with ease. The included brush and specialized cleaner work together to provide a deep clean without damaging your shoes. It's a gentle yet powerful solution. From everyday wear to special occasions, this kit ensures your footwear always looks impeccable. Experience the miracle of clean shoes. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive solution for all your shoe cleaning needs. It's designed to tackle various materials, making it incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one package that comes with the necessary tools, this is a great choice. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing dirt and stains from various types of shoes. The brush included in the kit is sturdy and helps to scrub away tough grime without damaging the material. The solution dries quickly, leaving shoes looking fresh and new without any residue. Number 4. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. It's designed to bring your favorite shoes back to life, no matter the material. This kit effectively cleans fabrics, leather, and even delicate materials like suede and nubuck. Keep your sneakers looking pristine. Struggling with white shoes? Our formula is tough on dirt but gentle, making them look brand new again. The kit comes complete with a bottle and a brush. Everything you need for a thorough clean is right here. Experience a powerful clean without damaging your shoes. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your footwear collection. Don't let dirt and scuffs ruin your favorite pairs. This cleaner is your go-to for keeping them in top condition. What we like? This option provides a complete cleaning experience right out of the box. Its ability to handle a wide range of shoe materials ensures you can clean almost anything. For those who prefer a single purchase that covers all bases and includes a brush, this is the one to consider. What people say. This stuff is easy to use. I mixed a couple capfuls with 16 ounces of warm water in a bowl, gave it a good mix in the bowl, dripped the brush that it came with, and started carefully scrubbing the solution onto the boots. It works, it's easy, it's quick, and it doesn't take much more than a bowl of water, the cleaner kit, the shoes, and a soft clean towel to wipe the shoes with. The best part is that I don't have to wait days and days for my boots to dry like if I had washed them in my typical soap scrub way. They will be dry by tomorrow and then I can give them a good coating of protectant and they'll look new. The Pink Miracle formula is impressive. It works well on a range of stains and marks, leaving shoes looking fresh and vibrant. Even older, stubborn stains seem to lift with a bit of elbow grease and the right technique. Unlike some cleaners that can be harsh or cause discoloration, this product is gentle. It's safe for most fabrics, which is a big plus if you have delicate or high-maintenance shoes. The included brush is a standout feature. It's well designed with soft bristles that are effective at scrubbing without damaging the fabric. The cleaner lifted a lot of the built-up dirt and made the suede look noticeably better. The brush is firm enough to actually get grime out of the material, and the color of the suede looked much more even afterward. Honestly, I was already thinking about buying a new pair, but after cleaning them they look good enough to keep wearing. This probably bought me at least another year out of them. Number 3. Markk Shoe Cleaning Kits. Discover the ultimate solution for keeping your favorite footwear looking pristine. Our cleaning kits are designed for deep cleaning and effortless maintenance. Choose from our essential or starter kits, perfect for any sneaker enthusiast. Get everything you need for a thorough clean. Our starter box offers a comprehensive set for those who demand the best. It's the ideal way to begin your shoe care journey. Experience the power of our deep cleaning solutions. They effectively tackle dirt and grime, restoring your shoes to their former glory. Maintaining your sneakers has never been easier. Our kits provide a simple yet effective way to ensure your shoes always look their best. Trust in the quality and effectiveness of Markk products. Invest in the longevity and appearance of your valuable footwear. What we like. Experience a truly deep clean with this renowned solution. They offer starter kits perfect for those new to sneaker care. If you value a professional grade clean and are looking for a reliable, established brand, this is your go-to. What people say. The cleaner is effective at removing dirt and stains from various types of shoes. It comes with a brush that helps to scrub away tough grime. The formula is gentle on materials, preventing damage to the shoes. Number 2. Gold Standard Premium Shoe Cleaning Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for keeping your footwear looking pristine. This comprehensive kit is designed to tackle dirt and grime on all your favorite shoes. Whether you own classic tennis shoes, stylish leather sneakers, or everyday canvas kicks, this cleaner is your go-to. It effectively restores their original brilliance. Achieve a professional clean with minimal effort. Our powerful formula works deep to lift stains and revive the material, making them look brand new. Specifically formulated to bring back the bright white you love. Say goodbye to scuffs and discoloration, and hello to spotless sneakers. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for a thorough clean. It's the essential tool for any sneaker enthusiast who values quality and appearance. What we like. Achieve that pristine look with this premium cleaning kit. It's particularly effective on white sneakers and canvas materials. If you're aiming to keep your white shoes looking box fresh and love the simplicity of a dedicated cleaner for these materials, this is an excellent pick. What people say. This shoe cleaner is very effective at removing dirt and stains from various types of footwear. The formula is gentle on materials, preventing damage while still providing a deep clean. It comes with a brush that makes scrubbing easier and more efficient. Number 1. Leather Honey Suede Cleaner. Introducing Leather Honey Suede Cleaner, your go-to solution for revitalizing suede and nubuck. It's designed to bring back the original beauty of your favorite items. Our non-toxic foaming cleaner effectively tackles dirt, oil, and tough stains. It cleans deeply while preserving the soft, velvety texture of your suede and nubuck. This cleaner works wonders on all colors of suede and nubuck, as well as smooth leather and faux leather. Use it on shoes, jackets, bags, and more. Using it is simple. Just apply the powerful foaming cleaner to a cloth and wipe away the dirt. It does the hard work for you, lifting grime with ease. Formulated with high-quality, non-toxic ingredients, it's safe for people, pets, and your leather goods. It's pH balanced to ensure longevity and care. Proudly made in the USA since 1968, our premium leather care formulas have been trusted by experts for over 50 years. Experience the difference quality makes. What we like. This cleaner is specifically designed for the delicate nature of suede and nubuck. Its non-toxic formula ensures safety for both you and your materials. If you own cherished suede or nubuck items and are looking for a time-tested, gentle yet effective cleaner made with care in the USA, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This shoe cleaner is very effective at removing dirt and stains. The brush included in the kit is gentle on the shoes and does a great job of scrubbing. It works on a variety of materials, including leather, suede, and canvas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.